So today's unboxing it's gonna be this. What is this? So basically this is a shoe cover that you put it on your shoes, and basically it's gonna cover your shoes and it'll protect your shoes from rain and from dirt as well. You see mine here is already dirty because I've been using it already. I've been using this whole week because here in Sydney where I live it's been raining a lot these days, so I've been using it a lot and it's pretty good. You put it on your shoes and then you can go out if it's raining and your shoes won't get like soaking wet with water, and also it'll protect it from dirt. So let's go outside. I'll put it on my feet and I'll show you guys how. Okay, now I'm gonna put the cover on my shoes. This one is the large size. My feet is quite big, so it works well. Also, it's good to mention that there is this anti-slip. You won't like slip and fall if you walk on slip surface. Cool. Now you demonstrate the water here as if it was water. You see, just if it's rain, like it won't like go inside your shoe, and it will keep your shoes. It will keep your shoe dry. Now you can remove it. And your shoes keep dry. Dry shoes. That's it. If you guys want to have a look, I'll leave the link down below of the store that I got it. And that's it, guys. See you in the next video.